So next is, so what lesson from Pat Cutters do you think will stick with you long term?
Maybe ang clear communication and accountability.
That's
a big word.
Values, accountability.
Kaya ang pathcasters during our training, they taught us how to be proactive sa client or like practice balaha kung paano maging proactive sa client mo if ever ma-place ka. And also, maging transparent pala like if hindi mo maintindihan nga mo ni dapat mamangkot ka gid, do ka amo na balahaw. Dito ka dapat in that way kinanglan mo mag-communicate sa client mo. Also, when it comes sa accountability, let's just say nga, man bi, nang kisa man gid, may masala man tabalaw nga may misunderstanding with client. So, kinanglan, tagin na i-own up ang mistakes. Wow,
do ano yun accountability and owning it. Correct.
Yes, no kaamo na sa ang lesson nga maano gid sakon, matatak gid sakon while working here. So,